Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Huge property of Aditya Narayan and Shweta Agarwal. The host of the singing reality show Indian Idol Season 12, Aditya Narayan has recently tied his nuptial knot with Shweta Agarwal. Aditya Narayan and Shweta got hitched on 1st of December with the auspicious presence of their family and close friends. The couple even later held a lavish reception for their friends and relatives and for stars from the industry. Recently, the host of Indian Idol has revealed that he is moving out from his parents' house with newlywed Shweta. Yes, Aditya Narayan will no longer live with his parents, singer Udit Narayan and Deepa Narayan Jha. Well, why is he moving out? What has happened suddenly after the marriage? We have all the details here. The singer turned actor cum host Aditya Narayan has recently revealed during one of his interviews that he has decided to move out. Well, before you speculate anything native, let us tell you that there is no fallout between the host of Indian Idol and his parents. After their marriage, Aditya has decided to stay separately with his newlywed wife Shapit actress Shweta Agarwal. Aditya Narayan has recently bought a huge property where he will be staying with stunning Shweta Agarwal. Aditya revealed that he has bought a lavish 5 BHK apartment at Andheri, Mumbai, which will be their new abode. According to a report by Bollywood Hungama, the new house of Aditya and Shweta is just a stone's throw away from his parents' house. Aditya Narayan told the portal that he bought the lavish property just 3 blocks away from his parents' house. He has also added to his statement that the newlyweds are willing to move in their new habitat within next 3 to 4 months. Many people have expressed their happiness for the newlywed couple and wish them luck for the new phase. But there are people who even raised the statement that during lockdown, Aditya revealed that he was suffering from financial crisis. The host revealed back then that he is left with only 18,000 bucks in his bank account. So people have questioned that how did he afford this 5 BHK apartment at such a posh area of Mumbai during financial crisis. To this, Aditya has explained that he has been working for 2 decades now and has used his saving for the apartment. What are your thoughts? Share with us in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.